Then I went to junior college. I took a film class, and then one day I was just like into film, and I just loved everything about it. And Tarantino and all that stuff started coming up. But I was a big comedy fan, and Sandler's movies. That's why I like working with Nick Swartzen, because Nick's like in all his movies, all of Sandler's movies, and this and that. Like, it's amazing.
So, Rob, I understand that you have a lot of experience within the entertainment industry. You also have experience from being a film student at San Francisco State University. Can you tell us about that experience and what kind of influenced you to pursue comedy?
Well, I mean, it's not okay to say right now, but I guess I'm a big, huge Woody Allen fan. Like, I love Woody. I don't care what I will defend him to the day. I mean, listen, it's really a touchy subject, and I don't know if I ever become really famous, this might go viral, and people will be like, "Oh, you liked Woody Allen?" Yeah. But and people have been defending him. But I'm a big Woody Allen fan. I like Annie Hall is one of my favorite movies of all time. Hannah and Her Sisters. I don't know if you've seen these movies or not. You're pretty young. I recommend Hannah and Her Sisters with Michael Caine. And I think it's Diane Keaton. I think his wife is in there too. So, or his ex-wife, Woody Allen's ex-wife. But I loved film so much. That was like the first thing that I ever wanted to study. Like I slacked off in like high school and college, and then I went to junior college. I took a film class, and then one day I was just like into film, and I just loved everything about it. And Tarantino and all that stuff started coming up. But I was a big comedy fan. And Sandler's movies. That's why I like working with Nick Swartzen, because Nick's like in all his movies, all of Sandler's movies, and this and that. Like, it's amazing. But so like all those movies, and I just loved comedy, and I grew up watching like Comic Strip Live. You're too young to remember that too. It was right before SNL. Like, it was like I would stay up at like noon. I mean, not noon, like midnight or whatever, just to watch these comics, young comics, like George Lopez, before no one knew who George Lopez was. And I just fell in love with comedy, and it was a lot through movies, and SNL, and Spanish was my first language, so like I learned from watching comedies. And even like Goodfellas, and like I just started mimicking. People think I'm from New York sometimes. They don't think I'm from Los Angeles because I sound like a New Yorker. I'm like, what are you talking about? Yeah, I don't know where it comes from, but I learned from watching those movies. So yeah, movies have influenced me a lot, and especially like Goodfellas, De Niro, Annie Hall. I'm trying to think of like the movies I love. True Romance. That was one of my favorite, written by Quentin Tarantino. A young Brad Pitt as a stoner. I don't know if you've seen that movie. Oh my God, this guy! Every movie I'm naming, you haven't seen. I recommend these movies. Please watch them. You'll love them. It's everyone like young Michael Rappaport. Before he became Michael Rappaport, what he is now. Now he's a comic, I guess. But but he's funny. I like the guy. I'm not talking smack.